More on abortions across the Carolinas, with a federal judge in North Carolina reinstating a ban on abortions after 20 weeks of pregnancy. North Carolina's 20-week abortion ban existed from 1967 until a 2019 ruling determined the ban was unlawful in light of Roe v. Wade. But now that Roe v. Wade has been overturned, a U.S. district judge reversed the 2019 decision. Wake Up Charlotte's Tradisha Woodard joins us live this morning with details. And Tradisha, Governor Roy Cooper responded to the ban, saying he is still committed to protecting abortion rights.
That's right, Sarah. And he says a 20-week abortion ban is pretty much very, very rare. So he says the vast majority of women here in North Carolina will still have access to reproductive health care services, which he ensures to continue to protect.
More changes on abortions across the Carolinas, with North Carolina reinstating an abortion ban after 20 weeks of pregnancy. The 20-week abortion ban was determined unlawful in light of Roe v. Wade back in 2019. But now that Roe v. Wade was overturned, a U.S. district judge reversed the decision. Governor Roy Cooper says abortions past 20 weeks in pregnancy are exceptionally rare, and he is still committed to protecting abortion rights. In South Carolina, the Supreme Court blocked the state's fetal heartbeat abortion law, which only went into effect a few weeks ago after being challenged by multiple women's health organizations, saying it violated constitutional rights. The abortion changes continue to leave many people divided, including doctors in South Carolina.
As a physician, I have a duty to protect that life from the moment of fertilization until natural death.
We want to improve maternal mortality. We cannot limit access to abortion. As it turns out, the risk of death associated with childbirth is 14 times higher than with abortion.
And both sides are set to present their argument over the next few weeks, which means it could take several weeks before a ruling comes down. Reporting live near Uptown, Tradisha Woodard, Wake Up Charlotte.
Tradisha, thanks.